welcome to another high-speed, turbocharged edition of Hollywood Extra with me, Rob Richards. I'm at Valley Circle Car Meet, one of the biggest car meets in Southern California. And I'm going to speak with a few owners of some of the fastest, rarest, most expensive cars in the state today. Let's go check it out. I'm here with George with quite possibly one of the most fantastic cars in the whole of the United States. George, before we talk about the car, pleasure to have you on the show.
Absolutely.
Now, I know the camera hasn't seen the car yet, but tell us what magnificent beast you have here.
Well, it's a 2006 GS3. It's the first street legal F1 in California. It took us a long time to get to street legal, obviously. It has a...
Oh, this is actually an F1 car?
Yes.
Did it start out life as an F1 car on the track, or has it been replicated to be an F1 car?
We had to do some modifications, but it had to meet some height requirements.
I was going to say, how does an F1 car overcome like speed bumps or especially the Californian roads, which are